countries is Powerlead system available in? You got Corey Neese here. We are available in 188 countries globally. So if you actually log in to your account and you hover over the help section, frequently asked questions, and exit out of that and scroll down under the frequently asked questions section, you can go ahead and click on accepted countries and copy and paste that link into a browser, which I already did. And there should be 188 countries. So you can promote Powerlead system to people who live in the following countries because we can put their commission on our Visa debit card. So basically, if a country is able to do this, we're available there. So basically, the only countries that we're not available in is just for this fact, to my knowledge. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure the only reason we're not available in every country worldwide is because some countries were not able to do this thing right here. And I can't remember when I heard that, but I think I heard that from our founder, Neil Guess. But anyway, here's a quick list of countries, alphabetical order. We have countries over in the Middle East, South America, Europe, North America, Canada, Mexico. I mean, almost everywhere in the world. So if you see any country here that you want to promote to, go for it. I mean, we're even available in like Hong Kong, India, the UK, Jordan, Kazakhstan, I don't know where these places is. Kiribati, South Korea. So we're available in a lot of places, you can see. You know what? I think we're even available on Antarctica. So if you know anybody who's living up in the ice Eskimos, all right, we're available in Antarctica as well. Okay, so anyway, not all countries can receive commissions through our e-wallet funds processor Paylution, the company we use because of the number of countries they operate in and for their competitive processing fees. Persons in some countries cannot upgrade to an account capable of earning commissions because Paylution does not include countries with a poor financial reputation, incidents of fraud and scams. Therefore, it is not fair of us to collect money from people in these countries. This is not our decision, but rather Paylution's. To protect our members against credit card fraud, we don't allow them to upgrade or make purchases from within countries where their credit card is not registered. If you're trying to make an upgrade or purchase while outside the country where your credit card is registered, you need to return to your country where your credit card is registered or have an authorized card user make the upgrade or purchase for you from within the country where your credit card is registered. So there you have it. If you want to work with us today, fill out the form below, clicking on my website, and I'll see you on the inside.